anti-fragile, I'm anti-fragile, I'm anti-fragile, fragile, 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 fragile. Anti-fragile, fragile, anti-fragile.
Hello everyone, so let's get start this video. Today I'm gonna try neutral tone makeup. This is a Korean makeup. जैसे मेरी स्किन है वैसे ये स्किन पर सूट करेगा. So let's try. मैं फर्स्ट अप्लाई मॉइस्चराइज़र. मैं सेकंड अप्लाई फाउंडेशन. हमें ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाना है, हमें हल्का ही लगाना है. And this is the foundation stick. Now setting in my eyebrows. So now let's contour your nose. And me apply in my eyes golden eyeshadow. Now eyeliner thick or small. Now me applying white eyeshadow in my under eyes. This is a black kajal. Now apply in my under eyes. Now apply highlighter your eye corner and your nose. Now let's apply blush for skin color. Now shading in my lips for this brush. Now this is skin shade lipstick. This is a dark red lipstick. And last apply lip gloss. Now completed my makeup.
I'm anti-fragile, I'm anti-fragile, I'm anti-fragile, fragile, 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 fragile. Anti-fragile, fragile, anti-fragile.
So if you liked my makeup, so like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.